Today, we're going to explore how we can generate electricity using the simple action of pedaling a bicycle, turning mechanical energy into electrical energy that can power a light bulb. It all starts when a person begins pedaling the cycle. As they pedal, the motion of the wheels generates mechanical energy. This movement is the foundation for our energy generation. The pedaling motion is transferred to a mechanical system, such as gears or a flywheel. These components convert the physical motion of the cycle into rotational mechanical energy. Essentially, we are transforming the energy from our legs into a spinning motion. The rotating wheel is connected to a dynamo or generator. As the wheel turns, the dynamo takes that mechanical energy and converts it into electrical energy, just like how wind or water turns a turbine in a power plant. The generated electrical energy is transferred through electrical wires to a rechargeable battery. If the dynamo produces alternating current, a rectifier is used to convert it into direct current, which is suitable for storing in the battery. The electrical energy is stored in the battery, ready for use. A charge controller ensures the energy is stored properly, preventing overcharging and ensuring the battery lasts longer. Finally, the stored energy in the battery is used to power a light bulb. When you connect the battery, the electrical current flows and illuminates the bulb, demonstrating how human effort can power something as simple as lighting a room. By pedaling a bicycle, we've successfully converted mechanical energy into electrical energy, stored it in a battery, and used it to light a bulb. This simple process not only showcases renewable energy, but also highlights the power of human effort in creating sustainable solutions.